Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the Chase app not working. So first things first, you should check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to the mobile data and see if that helps. But if you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi instead. Sometimes a weak or unstable network is all it takes to cause the app to stop working. After that, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Chase often block login from unknown or foreign IP address, so disabling VPN can instantly fix the issue. Now once you've done that, restart the Chase app. Close the app completely from your recent app list, then reopen it. A simple restart resolves most loading and login glitches. After that, if you are using iPhone, simply open up Settings, then tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside your search for Chase app and then tap onto it. And just like that, tap on Upload app. Tap onto it one more time. This removes corrupted app files while keeping your data safe. And once you do that, make sure to reinstall the app. Also, you can update the Chase app. Open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for Chase. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And if this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And finally, restart your device. A fresh reboot can clear system level issues and help the app working again. Hopefully, one of these fixes helped you get the Chase app working again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.